Your home's doors are more than just entry points. They set the tone for your entire house, making a first impression on every visitor. In Bluffdale, where homes reflect a mix of modern and traditional designs amidst a scenic Utah landscape, the right doors can elevate both style and function. Custom doors, in particular, are becoming a popular choice among Bluffdale homeowners. Here's why investing in custom doors can be one of the best decisions you make for your home. Enhanced curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing people notice, and your front door plays a significant role in shaping that impression. Custom doors allow you to create an entrance that mirrors your personal style and complements the architectural aesthetics of your home. Whether you prefer sleek, modern designs or something more rustic and classic, a custom door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. The impact of a beautiful door is undeniable. It adds charm and value, making your property more appealing to anyone who approaches. Perfect fit and improved security. One of the major benefits of custom doors is that they are made specifically to fit your entryway. Unlike standard-sized doors, which may leave gaps or require awkward adjustments, custom doors are tailored to your exact measurements. This precise fit not only looks better but also improves security by eliminating gaps where intruders or pests might enter. Bluffdale's seasonal weather extremes mean that tight door seals can also protect your home from drafts and maintain a consistent indoor temperature, saving on energy bills and adding another layer of security. Personalized design choices. Custom doors give you complete control over design elements, including materials, color, glass options, finishes, and hardware. For example, if you love natural wood, you can choose from various types like mahogany, oak, or walnut and select the exact stain or paint color to match your home's interior and exterior. You can also customize the shape, such as opting for a classic rectangular door or something unique like an arched top. Personalized glass inserts, from frosted or stained glass to intricate designs, let you create a unique look that elevates your entire home's design. Increased energy efficiency. Bluffdale's fluctuating climate demands energy-efficient solutions to keep heating and cooling costs down. Custom doors often come with the option to include energy-efficient materials and insulation features that standard doors may lack. High-quality seals and insulation materials help to prevent heat loss in winter and keep your home cool during hot summer months. Some doors also come with low-E glass, which reflects heat rather than absorbing it, keeping your home more comfortable and reducing strain on your HVAC system. The energy savings can quickly add up, making custom doors a wise long-term investment. Durability and long-term value. Custom doors are often crafted with premium materials and precise workmanship, resulting in a door that's built to last. When you invest in a custom door, you're choosing a product designed with quality and longevity in mind, unlike some mass-produced options that may require frequent repairs or replacements. High-quality custom doors can withstand the test of time and offer better resistance to weather, wear, and tear. This durability means you'll be investing in a feature that not only adds to your home's aesthetic appeal but also increases its overall market value, should you ever decide to sell. Improved indoor comfort and soundproofing. Because custom doors are made to fit your home's exact specifications, they provide better insulation against outside noise and temperature changes. In a bustling area like Bluffdale, having a well-insulated door means a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Noise reduction is especially beneficial if you live near busy streets or in close proximity to neighbors. Custom doors act as an effective barrier against unwanted sound, adding to your home's comfort and privacy. Eco-friendly options. Many custom door providers offer eco-friendly materials, allowing you to make a choice that benefits the environment. For instance, sustainably sourced wood or doors made from recycled materials can reduce your environmental footprint. Additionally, energy-efficient doors help lower overall energy consumption, making your home more sustainable. By choosing eco-friendly options, you're not only enhancing your home's appeal but also contributing to a healthier planet. Final thoughts. Investing in custom doors for your Bluffdale home offers multiple advantages, from enhancing curb appeal and increasing energy efficiency to improving security and comfort. With personalized design options, durability, and the potential to increase your property value, custom doors are a worthwhile investment. Whether you're building a new home or updating an existing one, custom doors can be the perfect touch that transforms your space, making it as unique and inviting as the Utah landscape around it.